Welcome to Maisy Makes, and I'm Maisy, and I got a haircut and a purple stripe. So today we're making maple scones, my favorite. First, we need the icing, so let's put that to the side. This much of water, a teaspoon,
a
tablespoon, and then spoons, a bowl, a fork, and then this. So first, we're going to pour this in.
No, pour the mix in.
Pour the mix in. All there. Now we're going to mix it with a fork or a spoon. You might want to get an apron. You might spill on you. And always when you mix, hold the bowl aside like this. Now we're going to pour water. And then mix it. Make sure you get everything in. Ew, that looks gross. Make sure to not taste it. I bet it tastes gross. Okay, so on your cookie sheet, we're going to put parchment paper on here. 2 pieces, like one there, one here. And then you put one of this. You scoop this onto that. Make sure they're not touching onto that. So this is how scoop, then put it a little far away. Then you have another spoon, put it like that, and then you scoop it off. All the way around like that. Now they're ready for the oven. So we'll put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Wait, 15 to 17 minutes. All right, let's go! And let's put it in. Now when those are baking, we're going to make the icing. Okay, so first we need this. One cup. Teaspoon. And then you need milk in a cup. Make sure you get a bunch of milk, like this much. Now you put it in for 4 times and pour it into here.
You always count out loud.
1, 2, 3, one more, 4, yay! And now we can drink the rest. I'm going to say some.
Okay.
Now we're going to put this in. All of it in. Make sure you get all of it. As much as you can. There's still some.
Do you smell it, Maisy Daisy? It smells so good.
Now we mix it. Make sure you hold it right here. Now, there it is.
What is it?
Icing! Ready Look at those yummy scones. They're so. Now make sure that the scones are ready. So clump them all together like that, and then now you get your
Well, you can start with pouring.
spatula. No, wait, you pour, yeah. You pour. So, you know how you have all these together so you can pour and go zigzag, 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 zigzag. Ready? Getting ready for our tea party. Party, and then we got some tea, everything. Now let's try the scones. These are better since I had apple juice before it. And that's Maisy Makes. Have fun!